Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at it with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to send a gift on Cash App. So first thing you want to do, make sure you have money in your account. You can see your balance on the bottom left corner. And then you want to come to the stocks section. Stocks just slowly dying right now. Look at that, brutal. Look at how much money I've lost. I don't think I'm ever investing in stocks again. Buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. But anyways, you can pick like any stock that you want to gift. You can pick a meme stock if you want. I'm gonna pick Crocs. By the way, if you haven't used this, you can come here and see like all of the information on these stocks once you tap on one. But I'm gonna tap the green gift icon towards the bottom right corner. It's gonna say send this stock to your friends and family. Pick the amount, or you can tap the three dots and type in an amount. Tap $1, tap next. Then you can type someone's cash tag up top, or you can pick someone that you want to send this to. I'm gonna pick this person. I have literally no idea who they are, but let's tap next in the top right corner. So send Vanessa $1 worth of Crocs stock. Funding source, my cash balance. Stock name, Crocs, current price, estimated shares they'll get. And then just tap send. It's gonna scan your face. And just like that, I've gifted Vanessa $1 worth of Crocs stocks. Tap done, and there we go, we're good to go. That gift has been sent to them. You can see down in the bottom left, my balance has $1 less. So there you have it, how to gift on Cash App. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.